Hi there, I'm Tobi, just your average everyday penguin. Well, maybe a little below average in size. Life on the ice was pretty chill, but then, oh boy, did things get crazy. The sky turned dark and the wind started howling like a hungry seal. I tried to waddle back home, but it was like trying to swim through peanut butter. The storm was getting stronger, and I was getting nowhere fast. Just when I thought I was done for, I had a super-duper idea. If I couldn't fight the wind, maybe I could ride it. I hopped on a piece of ice and whoosh! I was surfing the storm. It was terrifying and amazing all at once. When I finally made it home, I realized sometimes life's biggest challenges can become your greatest adventures.